Hello YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Today we're going to be putting back together the front fairing for my 92 Yamaha Seca 2 600. I got the half of the fairing back from the guy that did the paint and fixing it for me. I'll put a picture up here of what it looked like before he fixed it, and I am going to show you what it looks like now. Did a great job filling in where it was all scraped down. Reshot it with paint. Was able to save the decal on there, no problems. So we got both pieces there. Got the windshield here. Got to clean it up just a little bit. I bought all new bolts that go right through there. They're like plastic. They were $3 each, and there's 6 of them. And then they have these special nuts that go on the backside. They were probably $2 or $3 a piece. Here's the, a piece that goes underneath the windshield so you can't see the dash and speedometer and stuff. So when it's under there, the thing was on this side, all the foam is deteriorated, and this piece was not available through the Yamaha site. So what I did was I ordered a roll of the foam, same thickness and everything. I made a little template here so I could trace it out on the foam. I got to clean all of this up first, cut it out, put a new piece of foam on here. We're going to put all of this back together, go out. We're going to put it on the bike, and I'll show you where the bike is at now. It's almost ready to go. Once I get that gas tank, going to be good to go, going to be all back together. I'm really excited. So I don't know if you like my shirt. I had a friend that went to Hawaii, brought this shirt back for me, and I'm really hating winter here in Connecticut, so I decided to wear this nice summery shirt today in hopes I could push the season along here, get a little warmer, and get out and ride, because it has not been riding weather here. Alright, so for now, I'm going to get the camera set up. We're going to get this fairing put back together. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the bell for notifications. So I got everything cleaned up as best I can. That doesn't look bad. This side, you're not going to see any of this where it's still got a little bit of glue mess on it, but it's got new foam. Hopefully keep the vibration down. Alright, so I'm going to time lapse me putting this back together here, and we'll get it ready and we'll go out on the bike. so here we are in the garage. I brought the fairing out, got it ready to go back on the bike. The bike is here, waiting for its fairing to get back on. So let's take a look, see if we can get it on. All right. So what we have to do is it's gotta get it slid in there. That's gotta go past that. Okay. That, and that. Looking good. Let's take and get these caught. Get them snug. All right, so the fairing is back on. Sorry about that last little bit of tightening up the bolts, but my battery in the GoPro died. You know how that is. I think it's looking pretty sweet. Everything looks really nice. Everything's pretty much all cleaned up here. Boom. Looking good. Once I get the gas tank on, get it back on, get a nice day, we'll go outside and show you the whole bike up close. Nice. Maybe I'll take it somewhere where you could actually get a good look at it. Nice scenery. All right, so this is going to wrap up the fairing install on my 1992 Yamaha Seca 2600. Looking forward to a nice riding season with my Harley, with this bike. Everything is looking good. So until the next one, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.